Hello, this is Judd with PresenterMedia. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the background music on PresenterMedia, how to preview it, how to download it, and load it into your, we'll be using PowerPoint, so how to load it into PowerPoint, but you can load it into any project you're working on, so any software that you're using that accepts an MP3 music format. So let's get started and go to the top menu. I'm signed into PresenterMedia, so go to the top navigation menu and go to background music, and that will go up to the close-up page of the audio, and you'll have your preview files right here, and you can also page through the selections of the music files, or you can go up to the top search bar and go over, click on filters and click on audio and search this way. I'm just gonna type in like hip hop, so I'm looking for a genre of music, and it looks like it brings up some here. And to preview a music file, you just click on the play button here, and to stop the music, you just click on the stop, and it'll stop the music. Most audio tracks have 4 versions: a long version, a looping version, which is just part of the song that will loop over and over if you set it to loop over and over and repeat, a medium version of the song, and a short version of the song. So I'm going to select this one right here. I like the sound of it, and it's the long version. And to save it to my computer, I'm just going to click this disk here to save, and save to my computer. And now I'm going to go over to PowerPoint and go to Insert in the top menu, and this is just a template downloaded from PresenterMedia. I'm going to go to Insert and go to the far right where it says Audio. Click on that, and then Audio on my PC or on my computer. And I'm going to go to my Downloads folder and click on Hip Hop Reggae Long. And now you can see that that's loaded in. If I play the slide show, nothing happens, and I see this little icon on my slide. I don't like that. So with the icon selected, the sound icon selected, go up to where it says playback, and then click on hide during show. So let's play the slideshow now, and that's gone. So that's how you can remove that off your slide, or you can drag it off your slide altogether so it's not even on your slide work area. And to get this to play automatically, I'm going to click on Start automatically, but it's probably still not going to play. Nope. So that's because this slide has animations on it, and it's probably put the sound below all the animations. So once all the animations come in, then it'll probably play. So you can select this option here, play across slides, and it still doesn't play. But now it will play across all slides. All we need to do is go into the, if you click on animations in the top menu, and over here where it says animation pane, if I click on that, it opens up my animation pane, so you can see all these little, if you've never used the animation pane before, it's just a list of all your animations on your slide. So this slide we've pre-built with a bunch of animations that come in. So right there at the bottom you can see this little, it says hip hop, and I can drag this over so I can see it better. It says hip hop. That's our music file, and it's selected over here in the work area as well. And if I just click on that and drag it all the way to the top, now it's set to play before all these animations. So if I play the slideshow, go to slideshow, play from current. Now you see the music plays and will keep playing. And if I go to the next slide, it keeps on playing. Okay. Very good. Okay, let's go to the top slide again. So again, got the icon here. Go to playback. You want to hide during slideshow, so hide during show. You can also select to loop until stop. So let's say I'm in my presentation and I'm not done yet, and the music file ends. Selecting this option will allow the audio to play and once again start over from the beginning. So okay, you can also do trimming in audio if you want to play around with that. You can choose when to it'll fade in or fade out. But for this tutorial, just showing you how to load it into PowerPoint and get it to work across all your slides. So I believe that's all I'm going to show you for this tutorial. Check out our many other tutorials to get to know PresenterMedia and all the products and animations, videos, and clip art and video maker, all the things of PresenterMedia. We have tutorials for you to go over and learn how to use to create some pretty cool and awesome stuff for your presentations to engage your viewers even more. All right, thanks for following along, and we'll see you on the next tutorial. Bye.